Join us on a serene journey into the heart of purification, guided by the timeless wisdom of Hadiths. Immerse yourself in the profound teachings that cleanse our souls, accompanied by soothing Islamic vibes. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "In the body there is a piece of flesh. If it is sound, the whole body is sound, and if it is corrupt, the whole body is corrupt. That piece of flesh is the heart." The Prophet, peace be upon him, shared, "When a servant performs wudu and washes his face, every sin he looked at with his eyes leaves with the water or with the last drop of water." Another gem teaches us, the reward of deeds depends upon the intentions, and every person will get the reward according to what he has intended. Aqsaks. As we absorb the essence of purification from these hadiths, may our hearts resonate with the tranquility of the music and visuals. Like, share, and subscribe for more serene explorations of Islamic wisdom. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum. Hadith Purification. Islamic wisdom. Soothing vibes.